Hi beavers, hi monkeys. So this week we're taking the in family. I want you to get your books and a highlighter or a pencil or a crayon so we can circle together the in family. If you don't have your books, it's okay. You can get an empty piece of paper and a pencil and let's write them together. And also I have it on our page for you to print it if you want. Okay, so let's start. We will win. Do you see the fin? Fin here, what do you think it means? Yes, it's right. It's like the fin on a shark. Okay, very well. The bin is big. Bin here, they mean as a trash, like a trash can. The pin is little. Look at the fin. Go get a bin. Did you win? So I want you to highlight it or circle the word that ending with in. Super. Let's go to our next page. Remember, we're going to be reading this passage and then we're going to be drawing the things that end with in this empty area. Or you can draw it on your piece of paper. Okay, so let's start. A pin in a bin. In a bin, I have a pin. The pin is tin. I got the pin for a big win. I put the pin in the bin. Okay, so what are you going to draw? A bin, as I told you before, a bin is like a trash. A pin is the pin that you put things together, like a pin. The tin is like a metal. And win, you can draw someone winning. So you have several things to draw. So a pin, a bin, a tin, and a win. Okay, super, super proud of you guys. Here in this page are all the family words we've took so far. Wow, look how many you took. Your super class. We took the at family, the app family, the am, the an, the ag, the ad, the it, the in, and the it. So I want you to review them several times in your book, or you can use this paper. I want you to write words that ending with each family. You're doing a super job, guys. I'm super proud of you. Enjoy.